let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. We're going to go over four stocks that are under $25 that is in silver. Okay? So I want to make sure everybody knows about these stocks because silver is not over. It is not over. The play is going to continue, okay, into 2026. So I want to make sure they're on your radar. In front of us right here, we have AG. So this is AG trading at $27.55. So right here, you see it has support and it broke out all the way up to here. So now with this one, majority of the play is over for now. You don't want to be buying when it's all the way up here, okay? Because then what happened before? When it gets up here to the resistance line, it falls back down. So you don't want to buy all the way up here, but it has a little bit more room. I wanted to show this stock because I want you to keep it on your radar. So when it's down here again, when it comes lower down, later on, you know to pick it up. Okay, you know to pick it up. I'll be going over these stocks again. So I'm going to show these stocks in order of which ones have made a move and which ones are ripe and ready for us to buy in now. Okay, so you got to stay in the video and with me in the video here to the end, so you'll see which ones are like prime picking to go into now. This move is kind of over. So let's just scroll a little bit. You can see here technical strong buy, analyst rating buy. Here it's a neutral as a 7, right? You can see it's up 385% for the year. I'm showing this part over here. Okay. Right here, 385% for the year. That is great, and it still has more room to run. Let's go to the next stock. This one, higher price, $64, but I want to show it anyway because it's making this move already too, but it still has a little bit left to run, right? This is PAAS. It's another silver stock, silver miner stock. Stay with me. Stay with me. All right, another strong buy, analyst ratings a buy. This one is up 162% for the year, okay, for a year. Neutral rating. This is another silver miner. Okay, now we're going to the best stocks, we're saving for last. Let's move on. Here we go. EXK. Now we have a little bit more room. As you can see, we're getting more room to run. This one is like on the runway here, it seems like. It's like, okay, we're kind of taking off, but not really yet. Not yet. Okay, so this is EXK. Technical, strong buy. Analyst ratings, strong buy. Let's see. What is it up for the year? You can see it over here in the corner, 227%. Over here in the corner, 227% for a year. Okay, it is up. All right, let's keep moving on to the next one. Here we go. CDE. CDE. Only $24.63. Right now, it is outperform, okay, outperform rating up 300 and let me get the marker on here, 361% for the year. It's up nicely. Only $24.63 outperform. This one, it's precious metals in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Okay, primarily gold, silver, zinc, lead. All right. But the chart, we have room to run here. We have more room to run up here. But now to the stock where I wanted to get to. Last but not least, here we go. HL. HL. $24. Okay. Look at it over here on the chart. Nicely around the 50 SMA moving average, hugging it, right? So it's like bouncing, it's going to bounce. And then look how much room we have to run. Look how much sky is ahead of us. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Okay, versus the other ones. So this is why I wanted to showcase this one right here. It has a lot more upward momentum in the future, okay? So I said, let me show you that. Let's see. Also, 348% year for the year here. Okay, 348%. Buy, analyst neutral. Yeah, they'll be neutral until the thing takes off, and then it'll be a strong buy, and then it'll be too late, okay, for everybody to get in. So I said, let me show you that one. Here it is. Outperform. They give it an 8. Here's the percentages again. And in case you wanted to see the numbers for the company, I wanted to also go here. Look at this. Down here, this is HL, okay, stock. This part over here, the overview. It is the largest silver mining company in the United States, okay? And it's the 9th biggest mining company in the United States overall, but for silver, it's the largest. Sorry, market's not doing so well. All right, so this part right here, largest silver mining company in the United States. So it's going to definitely track well with the silver price. So I said, let me show you this one right here. This is what I'm looking at. I wanted to make sure you're looking at it as well. Okay, I don't want anybody left behind. If I'm eating, I want to make sure everybody following this channel is eating as well. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. If you want to see a gold video, write it in the comments about which ones, so I could show you the companies to follow for gold. Because silver is not going to just move by itself. Gold will move too. All right, and I'm into that as well. I already bought, so I could let you know which stocks I'm following for gold. Okay, just write it in the comments if you want that. All righty, bye for now.